Welcome to our fitness series. Today, we're diving into incline push-ups. It's an awesome exercise to strengthen your upper body. Let's get started. Incline push-ups are a game changer for your upper body. They target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, making them stronger and more defined. Plus, they boost your endurance and improve overall stability. Who doesn't want that? Now, let's talk about the right way to perform incline push-ups. Find a solid elevated surface like a bench or a step. Place your hands on the surface, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Step back and align your body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower your chest towards the surface by bending your elbows, while keeping your body straight. Push through your palms to extend your arms and return to the starting position. Remember to engage your core and focus on controlled movements.
Subscribe to our channel for more fitness content, and be sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Remember, consistency is key, and with our guidance and motivation, you can make significant progress on your fitness journey.